Hello, hi dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss pair of straight lines chapter. This chapter contains only long answer type questions in intermediate mathematics 1B. So let us have a discussion. The first question in this session. So let us have a discussion. The first question here, theorem. If theta be the angle between the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, then prove that cos theta equal to mod a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So this is very important theorem. We may expect in the public examinations. See here, in the proof, first we know that in the pair of straight lines, the given pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, first you have to write it. Given pair of lines. Given pair of lines or pair of straight lines. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Equation number 1. Equation 1 can be written as, equation 1 can be represented as, equation 1 can be represented as ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to the product of two lines L1x plus M1y into L2x plus M2y. So here the two lines, the product of these two lines is equal to given pair of lines. So ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to, actual multiplication here we have to do that, L1x plus into L2x, L1 L2 into x square, L1x into M2y, L1 M2 xy plus M1y into L2x, M1 L2 xy plus M1y into M2y, M1 M2 y square. After that, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to, here L1 L2 into x square. From these two I am taking common xy, so xy into L1 M2 plus L2 M1 plus M1 M2 y square. After writing the given pair of lines representing as two lines, the combination of two lines, comparing like coefficients on both sides, comparing like coefficients on both sides. So first here x square I am giving that arrow mark. It means we are comparing on both sides x square coefficients. So here x square coefficient is a, here x square coefficient is L1 L2. Similarly xy coefficients we are comparing, that is 2h is equal to L1 M2 plus L2 M1. These results we will use in the coming steps. And y square coefficients on both sides. So here y square coefficient is b, b equal to, there y square coefficient is M1 M2. Clear, everyone understand now? So the pair of lines representing as the product of or the combination of two lines. See, the figure will become like this. By observing these lines do not having any constants, so these lines are passing through the origin. This is L1x plus M1y equal to 0, and another line L2x plus M2y equal to 0. So the angle between these two lines we are going to calculate now. Theta be the angle between these two lines. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. In the straight line chapter we discussed that If theta is angle between the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then we have the formula cos theta equal to, just I am writing the rough formula, mod a1 a2 plus b1 b2 divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. So everyone cooperate this one. After that I am going to rub this. These values you have to remember. This we will use in the coming steps. A value is L1 L2, 2H value is L1 M2 plus L2 M1, B value is M1 M2. I will write it here in the corner. Now, theta be the angle between the pair of lines. These two is equal to ax square plus 2hx square plus by square. Again, you have to write it the next continuous step. Let theta be the angle between the pair of lines L1x plus M1y equal to 0 and L2x plus M2y equal to 0. Then we have cos theta equal to, then cos theta, in place of a1x plus b1y plus c1, what equation is there? L1x plus m1y equal to 0. In place of a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, we have l2x plus m2y equal to 0. So by using this formula, cos theta formula, wherever a1, a2, b1, b2 is there, l1, m1, l2, m2 is there, mod a1, a2 means l1, l2 plus b1, b2 means m1, m2 whole divided by square root of l1 square plus m1 square into l2 square plus m2 square. This is the way you have to learn that. So after that, L1 L2 plus M1 M2, observe carefully from this step onwards, square root of L1 square L2 square, L1 square into L2 square, that means L1 L2 whole square, can you write? L1 square L2 square, clearly I will write it, plus L1 square M2 square, L1 square M2 square, plus M1 square L2 square, plus M1 square M2 square. So after that, L1 L2 plus M1 M2 divided by square root of so this is the turning step. I am keeping here star mark. L1 square L2 square, can we write L1 L2 whole square? After that you take that last one, M1 M2, M square M1 square M2 square means M1 M2 whole square. Now I am subtracting 2L1 L2 M1 M2. So whatever the first term is there, L1 L2, and second term M1 M2 is there, now that time minus 2 L1 L2 M1 M2 we are subtracting. How much we are subtracting? You have to add that same value, plus 2 L1 L2 M1 M2. After that the rest of the terms, these two also write it. So plus L1 square M2 square means L1 M2 whole square, plus M1 square L2 square, M1 L2 whole square. Once again I will. So L1 L2 whole square plus M1 M2 whole square minus 2 L1 L2 M1 M2. We are subtracting this value, and same thing we are adding 2 L1 L2 M1 M2 plus the remaining L1 M2 whole square M1 L2 whole square. So by observing that the first three terms is the expansion of L1 L2 whole square plus M1 M2 whole square minus 2 L1 L2 and M1 M2, a square plus b square minus 2ab it is in. So can we write a minus b whole square? In place of a L1 L2, in place of b M1 M2 is there. So L1 L2 minus M1 M2 whole square, we can write the first three terms. Come to the second three terms. A square plus B square plus 2AB. So L1 M2 is one term. M1 L2 is another term. So this can be written as mod L1 L2 plus M1 M2 divided by square root of the first three terms is the expansion of L1 L2 minus M1 M2 whole square. The next three terms is the expansion of L1 M2 plus L2 M1 whole square or M1 L2 whole square. After writing up this step, L1 L2 M1 M2 value is what? L1 L2 means A, M1 M2 is B, and L1 M2 plus L2 M1 value is what? 2H. So these values you have to replace here. You will get mod A plus B divided by square root of A minus B whole square plus L1 M2 plus L2 M1 value is 2H. So 2H whole square. So that also can be written as conclusion step. Cos theta equal to mod A plus B divided by square root of A minus B whole square plus 2H whole square is 4H square. Hence the theorem. We got the result cos theta. We will discuss the cases, that means note. If the angle between them is right angle, if the angle between them is 0 degrees or 190. We will discuss now. After rubbing this note, I will explain. Yeah, next about this angle cases, note 1, note 2. If theta equal to 90 degrees, if theta equal to 90, so cos 90, then, so in place of theta substitute 90, cos 90, 0, 0 into anything is 0, cross multiply, you will get A plus B equal to 0. What is A, what is B? A is x square coefficient, that is coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. This is the condition for the pair of lines to be perpendicular. This is the condition for the pair of lines, to be perpendicular, or mutually perpendicular. Very important note. Based on this, we have the questions also in homogenizing problems. We'll move to the next note, note number 2. If theta is 0 degrees or 180 degrees, if theta is 0, cos 0 is 1. If theta is 180, cos 180 is minus 1. Why we are taking 0 and 180 means if these two lines will be coincident, that means one line is lying in another line. So whenever one line is coincident with another line, the angle between them is 0 degrees. If the lines are parallel 180, so that means these two lines will be like this. This line is like angle between them is 180 degrees, straight angle. So either lines are coincident or parallel. We are going to calculate the condition now. So theta or 180, this value cos theta, cos 0 value 1 or cos 180 value is minus 1. So you will get plus or minus 1 equal to mod A plus B divided by root of A minus B whole square plus 4H square. So now cross multiply, plus or minus root of A minus B whole square plus 4H square is equal to mod A plus B. Squaring on both sides, A minus B whole square plus 4H square is equal to A plus B whole square. Now A minus B whole square I am taking this side. You will get 4H square equal to A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. We know that in algebra formulae, x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square is 4xy. So in place of x comma y, a comma b is there. So 4h square equal to 4ab. 4 get cancelled. That implies that h square equal to ab. This is the condition. The lines are parallel. The condition for the lines to be parallel or coincident is h square equal to ab. So keep in mind these two. And note 3, note 4 also we will discuss cos theta formula other than cos theta, tan theta, sin theta also. Just I will give as a note. Here the angle between the pair of lines is theta, then we have cos theta formula mod a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Suppose in terms of theta, tan theta, note 3. If you want to write tan theta formula, tan theta equal to 2 root of h square minus ab divided by mod a plus b. Remember, ma? Suppose if you want to write sin theta, why? Because in competitive exams they will ask about these formulae. So sin theta equal to 2 root of h square minus ab, denominator is this only, square root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. These two formula we can, it will be useful in competitive exams related like MSET or JEE mains. We will use this formula. Thank you dear students. In the next video, the product of perpendicular lines from an point to the pair of lines, that question we are going to discuss. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you. And moreover, whatever the topics you require, please write into my comment box. I will respond with that. Thank you all.